Today I'm going to show you the variety of resources that are at your fingertips when you're doing research for a project or a paper. Starting from Hall's main page, you're going to go to the library site and you're going to click on the databases page. If you're doing research from home, you can click here to get all of our database passwords. And today I'm going to show you Gale's Opposing Viewpoints and Contexts from our Gale collection. And the reason that I chose this as a model is because all of our in-context databases have similar features. So once you know how to use one, you'll know how to use all of them. And our Gale databases have features that are similar to most other databases. So anything that I'm showing you here today, you can use even if you are in a completely different collection. So the first thing you want to do when you get into a Gale database is make sure to sign in with your student Google account. And I'll show you why a little bit later on. Now we're going to start searching. First, if you don't know what type of research you're looking for, start off by browsing the issues page. You can either click on an issue from here or you can use the keyword search to get started. So notice that Search Assist suggests keywords for me, which is useful. And in Gale's databases, when you see a bolded word, that means that it's a major topic portal, and you'll get an overview of the article in addition to all the rest of the texts. The first way that I would limit my search is by limiting by source type. So you'll notice here you have a variety of print and multimedia texts that you can look at. I'm going to start off by looking at newspaper articles. And you'll notice that I have over 2,000, which is quite a few. So one really great way to limit your search is by using the subjects. So these are more specific topics that are within your broader topic. So if, for example, you wanted to look at child custody and adoption, you would click here, and now you've gone from over 2,000 to 34 articles. You'll also notice that your search limiters start populating in this gray box here, and if you ever want to X out of any of them, you just click right here. Another thing that's great about subjects is that they're a great way to collect keywords that you can then use in this and other databases. So make sure you start paying attention to those subjects as you search. Another great way to limit your search is by using the search within results box. So for example, if I want to find articles about adoption and foster parents, I would do it like this. Additionally, if you scroll down, you'll notice more ways to limit your search on the right-hand side that can be really useful to you. In addition to limiting your search, there are also a variety of ways to sort articles. So right now, these articles are sorted by content level, which means the degree of difficulty. Most databases will have either a general measure like beginner, intermediate, and advanced, and some databases will have something more specific, which is called a Lexile measure, which is a reading level measure from 0 to 1600. In addition to searching by content, you can search by date, which means that the most recent articles will appear at the top. And probably the most useful way to sort is probably by relevance. And what that means is that wherever your keywords show up the most, those articles will be at the top. Once you have found the articles that you are looking for, you are going to click on Save over here, and notice I did that with these 4 articles, and I'll save this one as well. And that will save your articles into a temporary folder. After you've saved them, you would also want to go in, and this is where Google comes in very handy. You have a highlight and note feature. So you can highlight any text that you like, and the highlight button just pops right up. You can even choose your color. And then when you want to take notes, you just take your notes and then you click on Save. Once you are ready to save your article, you would go to your temporary folder, check all, And when you click on download, it would save it directly to your Google Drive, and then you click on download again, and it will save it to a folder that's named Opposing Viewpoints in Context, or whichever database you are using. And then, of course, you have a variety of other tools that you can use. Finally, if you're doing a more advanced search, meaning you have several keywords and something very specific you're looking for, you can come to this page. You can also use these limiters, which are called search indexes. So if you want a specific word in your article's title, or if you're looking for articles about a specific person or a place, you can use them in combination with a variety of search indexes. In addition, you can scroll down and limit your search in other ways. Well, happy searching, and let me know if you need any help.